In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on this section called Bluetooth right away. Now to activate it, use gray switcher at the top right corner and wait for available devices to show. If you see this pop-up, select Allow or Cancel, wherever you wish. Now tap on the device you wanna connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now you can tap on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it and hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet connected manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully connected. To disconnect them or manage your connection, use gear icon next to any paired device. And check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!